Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your laptop is not charging to 100% and gets stuck at a certain percentage. This can happen on Windows laptops for several reasons, but don't worry, these steps are easy to follow. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Check for Updates. Click on it. Once you're on this screen, click Check for Updates and make sure your computer is fully up to date. Installing the latest Windows updates can often fix battery and power-related issues. Solution 2. Next, go back to the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Once Command Prompt opens, type the following command: Power CFG Restore Default Schemes. Press Enter. This will reset all power plans back to their default settings. Solution 3. Now, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand the Battery section. Right-click your battery and select Uninstall Device. Then click Uninstall to confirm. After that, click Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the battery driver. These 3 steps alone fix the issue for most users. Additional fixes: if the problem persists. If your laptop is still not charging to 100%, try this next method. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and run it as administrator again. Now type msdt.exe-id Power Diagnostic. Press Enter. This will open the Power Troubleshooter. Click Next and wait for Windows to detect and fix any battery-related problems. If that still doesn't help, try using a different charger if you have one available. As a last option, you may need to take your laptop to a PC repair shop. They can check whether the battery needs to be repaired or replaced. And that's it.